Welcome to a quick tour of the mobile app editor. Here we are in the content section and on the news page. We scroll down and we can see our news information, and if we want to make a change, we just type in make change and there it is. If we want to make this into an email link, which is a very common thing to do on a news page, we click on link, type in mail to colon, and then type in our email address. When we click save, the email link will be put right inside the app. Okay, let's delete that. And remember to click Save Changes. This is where you can change the header image, and this is where you can set the background color. It's preferable to keep it at white, which is F 6 times, and the text at black, which is 0 6 times. When you're done, click Save Changes, and then you can move on to editing other pages. Let's take a look at the Pray page. Here we have the listing of Pray resources. They're all here. If you want to reorder them, you simply drag and reorder. If you want to delete, you click delete. Or if you have a new Pray resource you want to add, enter the URL, give it a name, click Save Changes, and it will be added to the Pray section inside the app. Alright, let's look at the Scorekeeper feature. Here you can add in additional stats to keep track of for your sporting events. Let's also take a look at the Gallery section. You click Edit, and you can go in and add more images to your gallery by clicking Browse and picking more images, and they will automatically be added to the gallery. Let's take a look now at the check-in feature. Here we can click Edit, and we can go in and change the number of stamps required and the secret code. You can also change the header image. You can also add in new rewards or loyalties or stamps or check-in features, all various names of the same feature. The calendar is a link to an already existing calendar that is online, so it functions like the Pray and that it's an external resource. Directions is the page that had the GPS directions and contact information. If you have more than one location or want to add a location temporarily for an out-of-town sporting event, you click Add New Location and you can put that in here, and the user will have multiple locations to choose from inside the app. Let's now take a look at how to send out push notifications. Here we are in the push notifications or messages tab, and we just type in our new message here, and we can choose which users geographically receive this. You probably are going to want to send to everyone, but if you wanted to target devices in a certain area, you could do so. You can then go on to content and choose what happens when they click on the notification, whether they go to a specific website page or a specific link inside the tab. Probably most of the time you'll just leave it on none. And when you're ready to publish, you can click publish, or you can set a future time and date that you want this notification to go out. So you could set these on a Thursday or Friday to go out on a Saturday or Sunday if you weren't going to be near a computer to make those changes. Okay, now let's go to the functionality section, and we can learn and see where all these pages are sitting and how they are ordered. The first four are the ones that appear on the home page of the device. So if you want to move the lunch menu to the home page, you simply drag it up, and now it will be on the home page of the app. You might do this if you're promoting a special event, special directions, special sign-up form, donation form, whatever you might want on the home page for a while. You can move it up there. When you're done, you drag it back. If you want to add a new tab, you want to add something that doesn't exist already and it deserves its own button, you click Add New Tab. You give it its new name. You can pick out its icon from traditional or modern. There's many choices here. And then you choose what this tab or page does. Most of the time, you'll probably be adding an info tab. Our news section was an info tab 1 tier, meaning that the user was taken right to the content. 2 tier was like our About Us, where the user was given some choices after they clicked About Us. The Loyalty tab is the Rewards tab that we showed you. And another common tab that you may want to add is a Website tab. Website tabs are great. They are what we use for the Pray section or the Resource sections. And you simply click Website tab if you want to add one of those. And you can scroll through and see the other types of tabs. Many of these you will likely not need. We've put most of the main ones that you will need already in your app, but this is how you add them. Also, you can make a tab inactive from here. Remember to click Save Changes. On this page, you can also move these items to be inactive by clicking this toggle, and that moves the item to inactive. It saved it for you, so you haven't deleted anything. It's just sitting here waiting for you to make it active again. Okay, this concludes our tour of the mobile app editor. Thanks so much.